Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to uninstall the iOS 18 beta and update to the official iOS version. So in this video I'll tell you how can you do this, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So you will first need to unenroll from the beta software program. Then you can either update directly to the official version or restore your device to the previous. First, I am going to tell you unenroll from the beta software program. If you are on iOS 16.4 or later, go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to general option. And then choose software update. And then tap on beta updates. And choose off. If you are on iOS 16.3 or earlier, go to settings. And then choose general option. Then scroll down and choose VPN and device management. Then iOS and iPadOS beta software profile shows here. And then tap remove profile if prompted. Enter your device passcode and tap remove. And you are done. Next, update to the official iOS version. After unregistering from the beta software program, your device will no longer receive beta updates. When an alert appears saying that a new iOS update is available, simply go to settings, choose general and choose software update and then install the update and you are done. I hope you find this video helpful to uninstall the iOS 18 beta and update to the official iOS version, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.